back, folks. We got a 2008 Ford Escape. This is an XLT trim pack. It's a 4x4, 4-cylinder. It's a one-owner vehicle with 76,000 original miles. Traded right into a Ford store on a brand new one. It's got a factory sunroof, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player, alloys, privacy glass, luggage rack. Great little piece, ready to go. Folks, we put a full service and safety on it. It's got brand new brakes all the way around, fresh oils. Again, it's one owner, it's solid, it's clean, it drives perfect, and it has 76,000 original miles on it. So super low mileage for this truck. Service contracts included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. It's going to qualify for a guaranteed credit approval program. This is a $595 starting down payment on an 08 with 70,000 miles on it. And it's the right one, folks. It's clean, it's black on charcoal, factory roof, all powered up, 4-cylinder. This is the place, this is the car, GasCleveland.com.